we have received your return mini atomizer. The issue is there is no mist coming out from the nozzle. There are two things I would like to highlight in this video. First, I found a crack at the bottleneck. As you can see here, this is the crack. For your information, this is a ULV atomizer. ULV stands for ultra low volume and is a new type of spray method. It is different than the old spray gun. It works by pressurizing the bottle and forcing the liquid to enter the pipe and the nozzle. If the bottle is not airtight, let's say there is a crack, which is your case, or the O-ring is missing, air pressure will leak from the bottle or from the O-ring. So there's no pressure to bring the liquid to the nozzle and you will not get any mist. The solution is simple. You need to get a new bottle. The second thing I want to highlight is the chemical you are using. As you can see here, there are some white stains from the chemical after drain. They are tough stains. I've tried to use my fingernail to scrap them, but nothing's go off. I've also tried to use water and alcohol, but we cannot clean them either. This chemical is not suitable to use in all atomizer in the market. Yes, I mean all atomizer. It's not just this device, but it's all atomizer. It's because the chemical will form a very tough stain after drain. Imagine if the chemical dry in the nozzle, the chemical stain can clog the nozzle. Oh yeah, we do have the cleaning service available for our customer, but it could be troublesome for you because you need to send it back for us to service and clean. So we try not to clog the nozzle if possible. Your atomizer is still in good condition for now, but if you continue to use the same chemical, it could clog the nozzle in the future. So we recommend changing your chemical to a better one. For example, the new launch spin sanitizing tablet. This tablet is very good, and if you not clog the nozzle, if I change the bottle, it will work again. Okay, let's see. After changing the bottle, your atomizer is working fine. Alright, these are the things I would like to highlight in this video. And thanks for your time.